Hi everyone, welcome back. With this video we are gonna finish the Kalman Filter module, and we are gonna learn correct and the predict function as lastly, and these are the main functions of the Kalman Filter. Actually the predict is used, for example, you are initializing the Kalman Filter. After that this predict function is called and is trying to predict the position of your real object. So after that you can also correct function you can call, and you need to give the measurement data into this one. For example, you already know the real position of the objects, or you already have some estimation, you are giving that into this one, so it's correcting itself in the backend. So these two functions are working in this kind. We can pass to the code part. From the beginning we always use this simulation. Maybe we can try again, we can see again. So there is a white circle in here, just green is the Kalman filter estimation, and the white is the real circle, which we are always updating its position. And we already learned from this part into, I think until here we already learned what's done in here. So the next one is we are entering to the loop for each frame, and we are always getting the true position in here. There is a function which I created in here. There is a simple logic. I don't want to explain detail, but just this is making this simulation. So always giving the new position of my white circle. So it looks like there's a white circle is moving. So we are trying to track. We are trying to apply Kalman into this one. So you can check, but this simple function is just doing that with a simple logic. Okay. And after that predict is called here. Actually if we check, predict is can take an input which is a control input, and for this one just go back to two videos before. In there I'm explaining the control matrix, just like this measurement and the transition matrix. In here I removed it temporarily, so you can put control input into this predict function. Also you can get predict function according to the control matrix also, but currently it's 0, so it's not including the control matrix. And we are calling predict functions. We already know the true position, and after that the predicted position is it's the green circle we see in the simulation. And after that also we are calling the correct function. So the next time the Kalman filter is gonna correct itself accordingly. Maybe in this simulation which we are trying now, only in the corner we see the white circle, but prediction is wrong here. The green circle thinking, because all the way it's coming, the white circle is going in this way. So the Kalman is thinking it's gonna continue with this way, so the next position is gonna be. But after that it's just the new points are coming, so the correct function is called. So it's trying to update itself faster. So it's noticing the direction has changed, so it's trying to update itself. This green is just that one. Okay, so after some iterations it's updating itself. Okay, so correct and predict functions are so simple. Predict can be used without input, but correct function you always need to call. You always need to give the input which is related to the real moving object position. So with the help of this, Kalman can update itself and give better results. And after that we are just for the future state. Also in the state post side we already talked about this one. We are iterating 10 times, so we see this red circle. We can get estimation more forward, so maybe we can get an idea what's our object if going this direction in maybe after a while, where it's gonna stay. Okay, also these are just, we are drawing the circles and we are showing in the window. That's all. This was a simple Kalman filter example, but I believe this is very helpful. You can play around this one before trying your real examples. This is just gonna give you an idea how these parameters are working. Also I already put this into my GitHub page. You can copy and use, and you can play around with the parameters. You can increase and decrease, and you can check the situation how it's behaving. Then you can you can think your real scenario accordingly. I think I like this simulation. I also use in my projects, because this giving me an idea about how to go, how to update parameters and go continue and going like that. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.